Alright, this is just going to be a quick video of a completed repair on this rear diffuser on a Bentley GTC convertible. This is one of their super high-end carbon units, and I've got pictures of the before, but I don't have video of the before. And so you can kind of get an idea here that just how dead nuts straight this thing is. And that's really what we specialize in, is making things look like nothing ever happened. Unfortunately, this piece from the factory is held on by all these little things called thread certs or nut certs. There's a bunch of different industry names for them. That's what they look like before you squeeze them down. And then they have a lip that you pull down and they come in solid. Well, they didn't use from the factory the kind of thread cert or nut cert that has a big enough flange on the back. So what ended up happening is the entire piece would just turn inside the hole. Number one, it wasn't bonded to the carbon fiber, which you always should. Number two, it was too small for the application. The holes were undersized or oversized. So I went ahead and, as you can see, there's just a tiny bit of gray around all of these. And that is structural aircraft grade epoxy style adhesive. And then up here where you see the repair was made, we did a lot of the repair work inside the lip, so that's where it would give us our strength. And then we did the cosmetic work, relaying and realigning the carbon fiber filaments so that it looked like nothing ever happened. But the biggest disappointment is that, number one, you have to remove the entire bumper from the car to get this piece off. And number two, you have to grind off or drill out every single nut because they use just regular alloy steel. It rusted solid, and then these nut certs just turned inside the carbon. So good news is, if this ever has to come off again, we're not going to have any issues. We're using stainless steel fasteners with anti-seize, and we're all set. This thing looks good. Customer's been patiently waiting, and we're ready, set to go.